Academic Search Complete is one of the most popular databases we offer at CCC. It is a multidisciplinary database covering many different subjects. It includes magazine and newspaper articles, as well as scholarly articles from peer-reviewed journals. In order to access Academic Search Complete, navigate to the Articles page of the Jim and Patsy Rose Library's website. From there, scroll down until you see Database Spotlight Academic Search Complete. You can click the logo here or the hyperlink for access. You can also scroll down until you see Databases by title. Academic Search Complete is in the A's. Like with all of the resources offered by the Rose Library, you can access Academic Search Complete from home. Instead of bringing you directly into the database, as it will do if you're on campus, you will have to put in your 7-digit ID number before you can proceed. Academic Search Complete is a database powered by the company EBSCO. If you're familiar with any other EBSCO-run databases, this interface will look familiar to you, as they often use the same interface across databases. In order to conduct a basic search, you can type your search terms in the box and hit search. But you might want to limit your search before you ever begin, and you can do so by looking at the limiters found beneath the search box. You can limit to scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, which might be an important feature to you if your instructor has requested that you use scholarly materials. You can also search by publication date or type. However, the most important limiter to remember is full text. The full text limiter will allow you to only pull results that have the full text available of the article. If you do not limit your results by full text, you're going to pull articles that are not available to you. Let's try a sample search. First, I'm going to make sure my full text limiter is checked, and then I'm going to put my search term into the search box. Say I'm looking for articles on zombies. Notice that when my search results come up, the same limiters that were available to me before I began my search are available to me after as well here on the left side of the screen. This can help you to narrow your search further without going back and restarting your search. The results from your search are sorted down the middle of the screen by relevancy. You can change how they are sorted by simply clicking the down arrow next to relevance at the top of your results. Each result will give you the title of the article, what type of source it came from, for example, an academic journal or a newspaper, as well as other bibliographic information, including author and publication information. Any images contained in the article will also be listed. If you have limited your search to full text, you will see the link for the PDF of the article below the record. If you click the title of the article, it will bring up what we call a database record. It's here you're going to find all of the information you might need about the article. This includes any alternative titles that the article might have, all of the articles, where the article was originally published, subject terms, geographic terms, and author-supplied keywords. You're also going to see an abstract. An abstract is a short summary of the article, and it's always helpful to read the abstract first to see if the article is something that you think is going to be helpful to you in your research. You'll also notice that you have a set of tools available to you at the right of the screen. Let's take a moment and go over some of these because they will prove useful. The first option that's useful is the print option, and the print option from this screen will print the article's record only, not the full text of the article. I'll show you how to print the full text of the article in just a moment. You can also email the article and the article's record to yourself by using the email tool. And you can also pull a link here to return back to the article at a later time. And this is called the permalink. And is the article's relatively permanent location. If you're going to link to an article, you never want to retrieve the address from the address bar. Databases are dynamic, so they're forever changing. Where one article is today, that might not be where it is tomorrow. The permalink, or permanent link, ensures that you'll return to this article every time. The Cite tool gives you the citation for the article in various formats. You can use these citations as a starting point, but please, please, please don't simply copy and paste them. They'll often contain formatting errors that will need to be corrected, so before using them, double check them against the appropriate style guide. To the left of the screen, you will find the link for the PDF of the article. When you pull the PDF, a similar toolbar will appear to the right that we saw on the database record screen. It is here that you would choose the print option to actually print and save the PDF and not the record.